Marauders, welcome back to the channel. So I've upgraded my editing software to Final Cut 10, and I'm trying I have two cameras running on the Excavator, and I'm going to try to edit two videos or two cameras on one video with their multi-camera format, and I'm going to do it digging out a stump. So this is an experiment. And on my property, and you may see all the stumps being pulled out. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But this is stump number 6. And the stump removal process is going well, as far as I'm concerned. Learning curve, but I am getting better with the Excavator. I haven't posted the video yet, but it does have the counterweight mounted. Now I'm about 4 minutes into digging this stump. Be interesting to see how long it takes me to pull this stump. Was a bigger tree. I want to say the base of the trunk was about 16 inches. I might be a friend of mine, call him Jim, don't know who he is. Brett gave me some tips on digging stumps out. One of the things he said was to start further away from the trunk, just because I don't want to dig up a lot of my property, but Jim is an expert and he should know. So I may try doing that, digging a little further away from the trunk where the roots aren't so thick. He helped advise me on the purchase of this excavator, and I greatly appreciate it. He's also helping me with a welder. Jim, you know who you are, and I just want to say thank you. He is an expert. He does some site work for us on some projects, and he does an awesome job, especially correcting the engineer's mistakes on the plans. Not to bash engineers, but Jim is very intelligent. And he's probably cringing watching me dig out the stump. Vital, which is a great feature. It's astonishing to me how one root can keep a stump from moving. One root. Does an awesome job stabilizing the machine. It is much more stable and less rocky than without the counterweight. To be smoother, I'm not there yet. To be fluid with the controls. knock this dirt off it before I lift it out off the sides. Oh, it's not dirt. Oh, she's a beast. Oh, there she goes. Hail Mary. I just can't lift it. I thought I dug a deep one out. I dug a deep one out last weekend, but man, a big one out. This one is a beast. So I'm going to try to grab it and flip it over going backwards. Let's try this. I'll lift back the excavator. Let's back the excavator up. She's heavy. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. Oh mama, she's heavy. Oh my God. What a night. Actually a beautiful night, but it was damp and really had a lot of clay stuck to the inside of the bucket. Marauders, thank you for coming back to the channel. I dug out two big stumps, probably the biggest, about the biggest I have to dig out in that grouping. Probably I have 5 more that are that big. A lot of work. I'll grade this up, but I'll let it dry out. I'm not going to dig anymore when it's this wet. It makes a bigger mess than it should, and the mud sticks inside the bucket. So that's it. We'll see how I do editing this video in Apple Final Cut. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video with a friend. If you ride motorsports, please wear a helmet for your protection and set an example for others. And I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you and God bless. I hope you're doing something fun. Saw 2 turtles today. One laid an egg in the front of my property in my shrub beds where we just mulched, and another one was back by the excavator, a small one. One was about 16 inches long, the other one was, I'd say, about 8 inches long. Pretty neat. Take care.